Hey guys, welcome to the shop. I hope everybody had a good weekend and is off to a good start for the week. In this series, what I'm doing is building a guitar designed by my YouTube viewers, and then at the end of the build, I'm going to give it away to one of you guys. So if you haven't entered to win the guitar giveaway, make sure you subscribe here, then go to my website, spenceracoustics.com, fill out that little 2-line form that pops up, and just like that, you're entered to win the guitar. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what this big mess is here. I'm going to finish building the forms for the giveaway guitar. We're going to get a side glued up, and I've got a little breaking news to share with you. And no, I did not break the cutaway side, but it does involve the cutaway side. I was here bending the sides for this cutaway and ran into an issue. No, I didn't break them, but I did burn them. I want to try and find a way to salvage these sides instead of starting over. What I decided to do is switch styles of cutaways. This piece is still good right up to here. So they're actually way up into here. It's not burnt. I don't want to get rid of it because it matches our back so nice. So I'm going to find a way to salvage this. And I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but when I was cutting out these pieces, I actually got 5 pieces and not 4. So I could try and rebend this piece and have a nice clean piece on the outside. But the problem is I really don't have the correct side bender to do this. So I was trying to do it over a pipe. And when you heat it up really hot, then you can kind of overbend your bend. But I had to get it so hot that it scorched it. So I really don't want to do that again and risk losing these sides altogether. So what we're going to do is we're going to change directions a little bit. We're still going to keep this side, and we're still keeping a cutaway. Instead of using the Venetian style cutaway, which is the rounded style, we're going to switch to Florentine style cutaway, which is this pointy style. This is actually Dave's guitar. It is a 3/4 size that we're building. So you can see already what it's going to look like. Maybe, well, it's not cut flush back here, so it's not a really good example. But you can see it's just more of a point. But we can salvage our sides if we use this. When I cut the sides, I actually cut 5 pieces out of that board instead of 4. So I have 1 extra. I'll just cut off the top part of this and use that for the Venetian cutaway. And the grain will look just perfect, and no one will ever know except YouTube. So like my mama used to say when I was growing up, when life gives you lemons, make ice cream. And not lemon ice cream. Nobody eats lemon ice cream. That would be dumb. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the comments you've been making. It's really encouraging. So please leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Tell me how to improve. Tell me what not to do. That's fine too. Got to learn from someone. If you haven't already entered to win the giveaway guitar, subscribe here. Then go to my website, spenceracoustics.com. Fill out that little 2-line form that pops up, and just like that, you're entered to win. So good luck, everybody. I will see you on Friday.